Let's talk about plant hoarding because it is a very real thing. I know some people are gonna hate me for this. And I'm kind of guilty as being one of those internet plant people, but we have to kind of be honest with ourselves. Which one feels better, buying plants or learning about plants? I'm guilty, I know I am. And it's inspiring to see people on the internet that have 300 plus plants inside. They have an indoor jungle. It's like the Amazon in their living room. All of my plantfluencer friends that know what they're doing, that have indoor jungles, the majority of them are cutting back. You can't realistically bring 300 plants inside and think that you're providing them the best environment. There are real life economic, environmental, social ramifications for creating an indoor jungle. That means more lights, LEDs, humidifiers, and all those things cost money, as well as increase your utility and electric use every single month. And also, I am so guilty of this as a introvert. I am one of those people that's like, oh, I'm sorry, I can't make it. I have plants. And I use it as an out to actually engage with people sometimes. And that can kind of become detrimental. If you treat your plants more like family than you do your own family, then things are starting to get kind of unbalanced. And we need balance. We need family, just like we need plants. And I probably sound like a hypocrite, but a lot of people don't really know what my indoor garden is like. And the second frequent most question I get is, how many plants do you have? Literally, every single time. How many plants do you have? And they're always disappointed because for me, it's about quality, not quantity. And another one of those things that kind of drives me crazy, because I get these DMs every single day from people that want to create their own indoor jungle, is, how do I get rid of the bugs? There are bugs in the jungle. If you're trying to replicate a jungle, be prepared for everything that comes with it. And I'm not one to think that you should be trying to get rid of nature. If you're trying to bring nature into your home, be prepared for it. So yes, hoarding is a real thing. And once you realize that it's not about the learning, it's not about the plants, it's about you, then you realize just how close you can get to becoming an actual hoarder. There's a very fine line, and a lot of hoarders start off as collectors, and then one day they can't walk through their apartment because there's so many plants around. It's entirely possible to have plants in your space in a reasonable manner where they have their own space, you have your own space, and you can coexist together and grow together. It is 100% alright to only have 10 plants. Learn everything you can about those 10 plants and master it. Bring plants into your life in a reasonable manner.